In this lecture, we need to create 3D practice exercise 13. You can see here elevation view, side view, top view, and 3D view. This is total length, and here it is height, and this is the width. You can see here this is the width. First, we need to create this one cylinder. You can see here radius 50. Just go to here, click here new, select this 3D practice, then click open. It will open. Then go to the home, select here cylinder, click here, make it a cylinder radius 50, make it a 50, then press enter. The height is, you can see here the height, it is 70. Just go to here, make it a 70, then press enter. Then select here splice. When you splice, you have to check one thing. You are in this X and Y, your working plane is in top or not. If you have a top opposite to that working plane only, you can make cut. Select this slice, select this one, press enter. You can select this quadrant, then click this quadrant, press enter, select this one, delete it. Now you will get it this one like this. Next, we need to make it you can see we placed like this. Next, we need to make it this one also. From this location, we need to make it this one 50. Just go to here, go to the press full, click here, make it 50, then press enter. Next, we need to make it this one. That is from bottom, it is 20. Just go to here, select here copy edges, select here copy edges, click here, then press enter, click here, make it like this. We need to make it 20 mm, make it 20, then press enter, press escape key, just go to here. We need to make it this one for 100 mm. You can see here it is 100 mm. Just go to here, go to the press full, click here, make it 100, then press enter. Select this line, delete it. Next, we need to make it this circle also, radius 30. Just go to here, select here circle, go near to this circle, click here, make it radius 30, 30, then press enter. Then go to the press full, click here, make it like this, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Just go to this side, you can see the hole, it is placed perfectly. Next, we need to make it this hole also. That one radius 5. You can see here radius 5. We need to place it this location. After that, we can move both the direction 15, 15. Go to here, go to the circle, click here, make it a radius 5, 5, then press enter. Select this one, go to the move command, make it this side 15, press enter. Select this one, go to the move command, click here, make it this side also 15, then press enter. Next, same thing, you have to make it this side 60. Select this one, go to here copy, click here, make it 60, then press enter, press escape key. This one we need it here also. Go to here, select here top, then select this one, go to here mirror, type MI in your keyboard, press enter, click this midpoint and click here, press enter. Then go to here south east isometric, then go to here press full, click here and click here. Similar way, make it like this, repeat the same all the location, press escape key, select this circle, delete it. Now this one is clean. Next, we need to make it this one. For this one, we can create a rectangle or we can create a triangle. lot of methods available. We can make a triangle, that is very easy. Just go to here, select your friend, select your polyline, click this midpoint, and click this midpoint. Type C in your keyboard, then press enter. Next, you can see here this thickness is 20 mm. Go to here, select this one, go to extrude, make it 20, then press enter. Select this one, go to the move command, click any location, make it this side, 10, press enter. Now it is placed properly in center. Then go to here, union, select this both the thing, then press enter. Now you can see this everything, one product. Next, we need to make it this fillet edge also. You can see here radius 10 mm, all the area. Just go to here, then go to here solid, select here fillet edge, then select here radius, make it 10, then press enter. Select this one and press enter. Press enter, repeat the same. Click here and click here, click here, press double enter. Then go to this side, then press enter, repeat the same command. Select this one, press double enter, press enter, repeat the same command. Click here and click here, press double enter. You can see here. Now this product completely ready. We need to make it this fillet also. That also same radius 10. Just go to here, select here fillet edge, select this one, press double enter, press enter, repeat the same here also, press double enter. Next, you can arrange this one inside layout. Already you know how to arrange inside layout, all the views, elevation view, side view, top view, and the dimension also. You don't have any difference. You can make a horizontal dimension and a vertical dimension using linear dimension linear. Then you can make it radius. You can make your center mark, and you can arrange everything inside this layout properly. Next, you can make changes in this. You can save the drawing and you can print the drawing.